friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve browser on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve browser on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of Roblox and you can click. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.